all the lights they're passing by, and all my thoughts they multiply. I see it flash before my eyes. I see the hope, the reasons why. I lose myself in these city nights. I lose myself in these city nights. I'll never forget those city nights. I'll never forget the city lights. We were so young, we were so free. City lights with you and me. I'll lose myself in these city nights. I'll lose myself in these city nights. Walking through these streets, is this all we'll ever see? Falling back and forward again, lost in the lights, we can't pretend. I'll lose myself in these city nights. Forget those city nights. I'll lose myself in these city nights. Forget the city lights. We were so young, we were so free. City lights with you and me. I lose myself in these city nights. Lost myself in these city nights. Lost myself in these city nights. I see those eyes and my walls come down. I've spent my life building around, yeah. Though I may try, I can't breathe when you're not around. I can't help it with what I found. You build me up, you break me down, and only you know how. I've given up, I must confess. You are my weakness.
So this did not turn out the way that I wanted it to. First of all, there's no pink. I don't know why that pink doesn't stick to my hair. Maybe it's just not meant to be mixed with conditioner or diluted. I'm sorry, she's sick and a mess. She just bumped her head. Ooh, ooh, baby. Yeah, that. Yeah, you bumped your head. Anyway, so yeah, this turned out more green, so I'm probably gonna mix a little bit more blue, and I ordered some yellow. I got this yellow, and I've never used this before. I've never used this, the punky color, semi-permanent conditioning hair color. I'm hoping it'll add a little bit more like brightness, because this is, it's just kind of dull, like, I don't hate it, but it's just not what I was looking for. And I might just... Yeah, this. You want the hairbrush? The hairbrush? Thanks. So, yeah, I just want it a little bit more brighter. And I might actually add some more. And I'm going to, if you can tell, I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. I'm scatterbrained. When I dyed my undershave, let's see if I can get good picture. I dyed my undershave and I didn't want it to just be like bam color, so I kind of just like lightly spread it to the hair around it, and I think I might add a little bit of like, not my face, don't focus on my face, I might add like a little bit of like yellow here. I don't know if I'll go all the way down, but I really like the orange. I'm kind of tempted to just do my whole head orange, but yeah, so that's it. I guess I wouldn't say it's a fail, it's just not what I was looking for. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture, what did I say? It said something about looking like fall colors or the Irish flag, because it legit, like, I had my hair up and my husband was like, you look like the Irish flag. So, yep. That is the end result, and I will see you guys for my next video. Bye!